So this is once again Rosmery here in Plantation. I'm going to show you right now another neighborhood inside Plantation, and this one calls Plantation Golf State. One is the golf. You're going to love it. It's a quiet neighborhood. No median house price here is around $530. And this side right here that I'm showing, this property is right there. And that's right there at the back of the golf course. Look at this neighborhood. Hey, I am excited to showcase that stunning neighborhood of Plantation Golf State in Broward County, which is located in South Florida, right in the heart of Plantation, just outside Broward Boulevard. If you enter to the community, you're going to see the beautiful and the space home. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of story about this community, and one remarks aspect of this community is the story behind its beauty. A group of women from the Plantation Junior Women's Club, they donated time to enhance the community entrance, which looks amazing. For instance, a pillar is of Plantation Golf Course. Right there, right in front, you are going to see a pillar. You see a pillar honoring the efforts of beautifying Broward County from 1992 to 2001. Going to see in those bricks the names of its considered Plantation Golf Course takes pride or consider to relocate into Plantation. Look no further than Plantation Golf States. I invite you to explore the possibility of living in Plantation Golf State. Ready to move in? I'm here to assist you to find your dream home. Contact me to embark on your journey towards finding the perfect property in Plantation or Broward County. Video provided by the content. Click the bell icon, hit the notification so you don't miss future video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.